guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw characters and cool characters and how to make made up characters and how to draw them. So that's what I'm doing today, and hopefully it helps you out, hopefully you enjoy it, and it's going to be a really cool video, so let's just jump right into it. Some of the characters I've drawn before. I've been into drawing like characters lately, and so in today's video I'm just going to show you how I draw them. First thing you're going to need is paper, pencils, blah blah blah, all that stuff. You know what you need. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sketch it out, and I will use my phone and look up poses of characters and kind of copy those poses to help. Finished the sketch, all done with it, so now I'm going to do the inking, and I'm going to use these fine liners for inking. Yeah, let's just jump right into that. It is now time to do the color, so I'm going to be using these Prismacolor Premier markers that I got. There's not that many of them, but it's all I have, and I have a very large amount of Copics. Just kidding, there's like none. I have 0 Copics. I probably have about like maybe 15 or 20 Copics, and most of them are dead. So yeah, let's just jump right into the coloring. Okay, before we start the coloring part of the drawing, I just want to say something. I am going to do a little thing. I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to do a thing. Let's do it. This, my friends, is my viewers. Everybody inside this circle are people who watch my videos. Alright? Now, this section, see this? It's a pie chart, okay? This section is the people who are subscribed to me. Look at that. And if I color all this in pink, you guys are pink. These are the people who are not subscribed to me and watch my videos. These are the people who are subscribed. Those people are my favorites. You guys need to subscribe. And then we can make all these people, like everybody, subscribe. So 90%. That is a big number. Let me erase this real quick with a sock. Alright? See this number? I'm going to do pink because I like pink. This number, 90%. That's a big number, okay? 90% of you guys are not subscribed. That's you right there. You are not subscribed. I mean, maybe you are, but majority of you. And like, I just looked at the statistics, and 7% of you guys are subscribed. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. But this big number, that's you subscribe. So you can be this number and make this number bigger. Okay? So that is all I have to say for today. Let's get back into the video. Let's go.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
I am done.